Instagram stories are brief photos and videos that vanishes after 24 hours. Found at the top of the Instagram application, they're a great way to stay visible and connected with the people every single day. So if you want to post an Instagram story, open Instagram, log into your account, and tap on the story icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the plus icon, then choose a photo or video that you want to post. Then you can go ahead and add text, stickers, music, and go through other different effects, partnership, filters. Then you can tap on this blue arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on share, which is highlighted in blue color, in order to share it to your story. If you're not sure what to post, you can share moments from your day, show what happens behind the scenes, post quotes or thoughts you have. You can also create polls and share your progress on goals like fitness, studies, work, or content creation as well. And you can repost your existing post. So the more people interact with your story, the more it will be shown to others if you have your Instagram account public. And highlights also save your stories permanently on your profile. Give each highlight a title, example about me, fitness, travel, or you can also use any stickers or emojis that you want. Highlights serve as a short introduction to you and your brand. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.